Hi, this is Gabrielle Leonhard O'Connell from O'Connell Family Wines and GC Napa Valley Culinary. So that's our culinary line. The products, many of them, like here the tomatoes, the arugula, has come from our estate vineyard garden. And we are certified organic, so everything here is just as tasty and fresh as possible. Got the ingredients out for a wonderful summer tomato bruschetta. Now, I consider this one of the dishes where you can be really creative. I'm keeping it very basic. One of the things we often add to it is a little bacon. You can add Parmesan to the top. You can add, some corn, grilled corn from the grill. It's so amazing. Mix it up with the tomatoes. But I'm just going to show the basic process and then leave the creativity up to you. So we have first a nice crostini that's been toasted, and we're going to brush it. And I like this really crispy because tomato is juicy, and it will make this not soggy, but it could make it soggy if the bread is not crisp. So it won't be soggy, but if you leave it on a really long time, you could run that risk. So that was with our basic savory olive oil. I'm going to dress now the arugula with our lemon olive oil. And I'm going to use the basil olive oil. You can use lemon as well. So a lot of creativity here and flexibility. So if we go here, and that's arugula from our garden. And this is one of our newest products, although it's been in barrel since 2013. It's our red wine vinegar from our Cabernet. Just put a little bit of that. You can also use other vinegars. Again, your creativity. So a little bit of mixing here and a pinch of our Cabernet sea salt. That's Cabernet reduction by 80%. And then we infuse it, quite a process here, into sea salt, of course, sea salt. And then this is our lavender infused Tella cherry pepper. So here's the assembly, super easy. Just put a little on here. It's not necessarily neat, and I'm going to use my fingers because in my book, fingers are still the best tool. Alrighty, put a little bit of that on there because we're going to eat this right away. And then freshly chopped tomatoes, and I love taking red and yellow or even the green just to make this as colorful as possible. Just picked from the garden an hour ago. And the more it spills, the more natural it looks. And this is finger food anyway. I've never had a bruschetta where I wasn't picking up the pieces off the bread, but that's half the fun. And I like to put a piece of basil on the top and use it as garnish. Just a little bit of basil on the side as well. I'm going to need a little bit more tomato here to make me happy. Another drizzle. I'm going to use the lemon olive oil. I love this. You can also use our jalapeno. That gives it a little kick. If you like it plain, that would be your savory. But lemon and tomatoes goes really, really well together. Final touch of sea salt. And pepper. And this is lavender infused. You really don't taste the lavender, you just taste it. It has a lot of beautiful layers. And the nice thing about this pepper, it doesn't have an astringent pepper bite. It is more floral. So it's a beautiful addition. It's not just a spiciness, but it's a flavor addition. So here we go. Here is our bruschetta. Classic tomato.